Hey guys, it's Willie here, and I have an update on the OBX drone saga. Finally got it figured out. We threw in the valve exhaust on it. Well, just the muffler. We replaced the OBX mufflers with the valve exhaust system on there. And chef's kiss. It works perfectly on quiet mode. It's just super quiet. It's quieter than stock. It's crazy. I can get on it and I can hear turbos and the air intake and everything. It's so quiet, so nice. But this is the best part. Even with it on the loud mode, the drone is like 80% gone. Like, it's super livable. Like, if the OBX had that kind of drone, I wouldn't have to switch nothing because it's great. So yeah, it worked good. I did have some cold starts videos for it. I'm gonna post those, both quiet mode, loud mode. There's some revs, quiet mode, loud mode, and then after that I'll do some review of it. But so far so good. I like it. I think I'm gonna keep this setup, and then I might throw in a different video here in the future, with comparing the factory exhaust with the downpipes and the the downpipes with the OBX, and then the new one, so you can see all the difference, all iterations of within a month, all those different exhaust setups I went through. But I think this is going to be a keeper. I hope you enjoy it. Like, follow, share, subscribe. See you later.